Okay, so here is another example of finding the equation of a line. In this case, the line that we need is parallel to a given line. Okay, so let's start with the key concepts. Whenever two lines are parallel, so parallel lines, the slopes of these two lines are equal. Okay, so if we're looking for the equation of the line, so take note that the line will take the form y equals mx plus b. So we need to find what is m and what is b. So to find m, since the equation or since the line that we need is parallel to 4x minus y equals 7, whatever the slope of 4x minus y equal to 7 should be the slope of the line that we need. So we need to transform this into y equals mx plus b to identify the slope. If 4x minus y is equal to 7, this is the same as 4x minus 7 is equal to y. There's a series of operations that you have to perform in order for you to express it in this way. And this is the same as 4x or y equals 4x minus 7 if I write y on the left side and 4x minus 7 on the other side. Written this way, it's very clear that the slope of this line is equal to 4 because this is the value of the m. So if the line that we need is parallel to this line, that means the slope that we need is also equal to 4. So the equation is initially 4x plus b after replacing m by the value of the slope. But how do we find the value of b? So this is very similar to what we have solved before. If the line is passing through a point, the point or the x and y of the point should satisfy the equation. When you say satisfy, you can use these numbers as the x and y of the line. It says if the x is negative 3, so if x is negative 3, the y value is negative 5. So you have plus b. And if you solve this equation, you have negative 12 plus b. And this will be negative 5 plus 12 equals b, which means that b is equal to positive 7. So now that you know the m and b, so you can now write the equation as y equals 4x plus 7. So this is the line that is parallel to the line 4x minus y equal to 7 or y equals 4x minus 7. Okay, so key idea, when two lines are parallel, the slopes are equal or the slopes are the same. And whenever the line passes through a given point, the x and y of that point will satisfy the equation. So you can replace x by the number or the x value of the point and the y by the y value of the point. So keep in mind the slope or the equation of the line will always take the form y equals mx plus b. If you follow this setup, all you have to do is to find the m and then to find the b. And that's it. Okay? So there are examples on perpendicular lines to learn to differentiate the cases of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. The procedure are almost the same for each case except on how to deal with the slopes. Parallel lines, same slopes. Perpendicular lines, negative reciprocal of each other. Okay, so that's it. It's not that difficult. Okay, so just watch this video again if you are confused with some of the concepts. I think by viewing it 2 or 3 times, you will be able to get the idea. Okay?